Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make quick lemon pie with gorgeous meringue on top. The recipe is super easy and it requires only a few ingredients. Perfect sweet treat in summer. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Let's make the lemon curd first. You need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Strain through a sieve into a pot. Add sugar and butter. Put over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Until it thickens, about 7 to 10 minutes. By the way, the egg scrambles over high heat, so be careful, do not rush. Transfer into a dish, then leave to cool. Then put in the fridge until cold. Now let's move on to make the tart crust. Put biscuits in a plastic bag and crush into fine pieces. Yes, of course you can use graham crackers if you like. You can easily crush them by rolling over the plastic bag with a rolling pin. Do not bash or hit, or you will make holes. Now mix in melted butter, then press firmly into the pan. You can of course double, triple the recipe for the larger sized pan. Put in the fridge to set. Now let's make meringue topping to finish. You need 2 egg whites, yes, you can use egg yolks for other cooking or baking. I will link some recipes in the description box. Beat egg whites with an electric mixer until foamy. Add granulated sugar 1/3 at a time. Then beat until stiff glossy peaks form. Now spread the lemon curd onto the crust. Spread the meringue over the pie using the back of a spoon. Make decorative swirls. Then bake in the oven for 5 minutes until slightly golden brown. Leave to cool, then transfer onto a plate. You want to cool in the fridge before you cut, otherwise it breaks like this. You don't want to do this, so cool in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now it is very easy to cut. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Iただきます。お店で買ったみたいに美味しいです。夏にね、すごく食が進むコーヒーと一緒に食べたい感じです。ぜひ作ってみてください。またねって。おいしい。